Is expensive mascara worth it? And if yes, which high-end mascara is the best? Today we are gonna be reviewing 6 mascaras that are best sellers on the Sephora website. I have done a full day wear test for all of them and I'm gonna show you close-ups of my eyes before and after application. With every mascara I have applied 2 coats of product. The mascaras that we're testing today are the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes Mascara, the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Black Volumizing Mascara, the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara, and also the waterproof version of it. At the end of this video, I'm gonna be ranking all of the mascaras and we are going to answer the question, are high-end mascaras better than drugstore? Let's start with the applicators of the mascaras. The Charlotte Tilbury mascara has a thin, flexible brush with a paddle shape. The Too Faced mascara and the ABH mascara have a stiff fiber brush with an hourglass shape. The Benefit mascara has a bendable thin applicator in a conical shape, and the Milk Makeup mascaras have the same fiber brush. It's a thicker, round, almond-shaped spoolie with no flexibility. My lashes are short and straight and I really need uplifting mascaras. The first mascara is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes Mascara. It has a unique spoolie that provides great definition to the lashes. The formula of the product is not so black and I had a very hard time to make my lashes elongated and volumized. I have applied 4 coats in total and I didn't like the end result. The consistency of the mascara is creamy and almost dry, however it didn't clump the lashes even with 4 coats of product. It stained the skin and I had to remove some concealer in order to take off the extra product, so you need to be more precise with your application. I did a 9-hour wear test for this mascara and sadly it's not smudge proof. I had some flakes on the under eye area that were easily swiped with a fluffy brush. It is also easy to remove the mascara at the end of the day with my regular eye makeup remover. I'm giving this product 2 stars. It's not volumizing or lengthening. The brush is easy to work with and it separates the lashes nicely. However, it is not smudge proof. Also, it doesn't give an uplifting effect and it doesn't hold the curl. So this mascara basically is for someone with naturally long and curled lashes that just need a product to give color to them. In my opinion, $29 are a lot for this mascara. Moving on to the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. It's one of the most popular high-end mascaras and you can also find a waterproof version of this one. For today's video, I'm using the regular formula. If you have tried the waterproof version, let me know in the comments. The color of this mascara is blacker than the Charlotte Tilbury one. With the applicator, you can separate the lashes nicely without building up. It has a creamy consistency and it gives volume and length to the lashes. It can lift the lashes and also hold the curl throughout the day. Be careful with this mascara as well because it can stain the skin if you make any mistakes. The brush is a little bit bigger for me and I was trying to not poke my eye with it. At the end of the day, my lashes were looking soft and defined and I was able to remove it very easily. It is a smudge proof mascara with almost no flakes and I'm gonna give it 4.5 stars just because the applicator is thicker and not easy to use for smaller eyes. Is this mascara worth the $27? If you are struggling to find a good separating mascara, I would say go for it. Following that, we have the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. This is a very overhyped product and it has my favorite applicator in this video. It is thin and flexible and you can coat all the lashes without any effort. The formula of this mascara is more watery, it dries quickly and you need to be fast moving with your application. The color of the product is deep black. It gives nice definition with 1 coat. However, it can easily make the lashes spidery. I was not so fast and I needed to use a lash comb to remove some of the excess product. It is weightless and gives a very nice uplifting effect without losing the curl at the end of the day. It is not completely smudge proof. Also, it stains a little bit the skin if you touch the spoolie on you. I had some flakes at the end of the wear test and they were removed pretty easily. This mascara was also easy to take off with my makeup remover. It's not a volumizing mascara. It gives great length and the brush is so easy to use. On the other hand, it can clump the lashes so easily, and it's not smudge proof, so I'm gonna give this one 2.5 stars. It retails for $26. I would recommend it to someone with very stubborn and straight lashes, and also if you have downturned eyes for the uplifting potential. Up next we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. This mascara has a creamy formula, and with one coat you can elongate the lashes and give a more wearable volume that is perfect for everyday use. With a second coat you can achieve fuller looking lashes without clumping them. The fiber brush can separate the lashes into perfection, and the formula makes them super smooth. It stains the skin a little bit and gives a black color to the lashes. After 8 hours this mascara was almost smudge proof, with very few flakes on my cheeks that were easily removed. The formula didn't weigh my lashes down, and I removed it at the end of the day effortlessly. The applicator is pretty similar to the Too Faced spoolie. The only difference is the ABH brush is longer and thinner, thus easier to use for smaller eyes. The end result is the same for these two mascaras on my lashes, so I would recommend the ABH mascara if you have smaller eyes. I'm gonna give this mascara 4.5 stars. It is volumizing, lengthening, we have great definition and spoolie. The only downside is that it's not completely smudge proof. The retail value is $25. It is definitely a product that you should try at least once in your makeup life. Let's continue with the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. The applicator of this one is very big for my eye shape. Despite that, I was able to separate the lashes without clumping them up. With one coat you can give a very natural finish to the lashes. The color of it is black, and with the second coat you can add more volume and length. I wouldn't say this is the most volumizing or uplifting mascara I have ever tried. It stains a little bit the skin and also is smudge proof. The few flakes that I had after 8 hours of wear time were easily wiped away. The formula is creamy and almost dry. However, because of the well-designed brush, it doesn't make the lashes spidery. The waterproof version of this mascara is very similar to the regular. It has a more intense black color. It stains the skin to the point that you need to remove the stain with eye makeup remover. At the end of the day I had some flakes, and it is also smudge proof. Both of the mascaras can hold the curl. They have the same big applicator that is not easy to use for small eyes. The brush itself doesn't hold a lot of product on it, so I think that's the reason the formula is not clamping on the lashes. I'm gonna give to each Kush mascara 3 stars because they didn't impress me that much. They're not very volumizing or lengthening. Also the big brush is a no for me. Each mascara retails for $25. You can try them if you want a natural looking mascara to wear for your no makeup days. So are high-end mascaras better than drugstore? What I've noticed is that the high-end mascaras of this video are not completely smudge proof. They have creamier formulas than a lot of drugstore mascaras, and they make the lashes looking extra soft because of their conditioning ingredients. You can definitely find amazing drugstore mascaras, so it comes down to your budget. My favorite mascara of today's video is the ABH one. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite, and you can watch next my review of the 5 Essence Lash Princess mascaras. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!